We are given two identical buggies and each of them has a man sitting inside it and is traveling in opposite directions on a rail with velocity v1 and v2. These are variables actually because we need to eventually find them. So let's call them v1 and v2 for now. And these are vectors. Now when they come across each other, then the men exchange their positions by jumping into the other buggy, and they are jumping perpendicular to the buggies. So green man will jump towards here and orange man will jump towards here, and their directions are perpendicular to the original directions. Eventually it's observed that the first buggy comes to rest and second buggy continues to move in the same direction with velocity v. So this is before jump, this is mid-air when both the men are in air, and this is after jump. So to us given is that this comes to rest, this has v, and the masses of the buggies are capital M and masses of the men are small m. So with this information we need to find the velocities of v1 and v2. So we are going to do momentum conservation on both the buggies. So when they are in mid-air and this guy is just about to get in the buggy, so just before that let's write the velocity of each of buggy and the man. So the man has jumped in perpendicular direction. That means its momentum in original direction remains unchanged, because when he jumps in perpendicular direction he may gives this buggy some impulse in perpendicular direction, but in the parallel direction there is no impulse. So the velocity of buggy is going to be same and velocity of man also will be same, because the buggy is also pushing the man in vertical direction. So man's velocity also is unchanged in horizontal direction. So that is our important thing to understand here, that when the man has jumped in perpendicular direction, the velocity of buggy as well as the man in horizontal directions do not change. So you can see that the buggy continues to go with v1 and the orange guy also continues to go in with v1. Similarly, buggy 2 continues to go with v2 and the green guy also continues to go with the same velocity v2. So this is in mid-air. Now once they are inside each of the buggies, then this buggy has stopped and this continues to go with the velocity v. So we'll take our system with the buggy and this green guy who is about to get in, and the other system is this buggy and the orange guy who is about to get in. So we are going to conserve the momentum before and after for each of the buggies. So two variables in v1 and v2 we should be able to get. So momentum conservation for both the systems. So pi is equal to pf. So for first system, initial momentum is capital M into v1 plus small m into v2 is equal to 0, because final momentum is 0. And for second system, capital M into v2 plus small m into v1 is equal to m plus m into v. And everything is in vector form. So we'll just resolve both the equations and solving it we'll get v1 and v2 our answers.